Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about Verge, a secure and user-friendly digital currency built for everyday transaction. I discovered this great project on the trending on CoinGecko, a great way to know what people are looking for at the present moment, and this is really cool. But just before to keep going with Verge, I want you to take a couple of action for this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee. The Crypto and Coffee, sorry. The first one is subscribe right now. Psh, psh. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about Verge or other cryptocurrency of this kind you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it. Leave a nice comment below. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday with great content of value. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to Verge, my friend. I'm sorry, I just need to move around a little bit. Verge is a secure and user-friendly. I need to take some coffee digital currency. So it's a built for everyday transactions. Beautiful graphic. I love the seamless interface with the emphasis on blue, some blue and black or something like that, with a mix of a little bit of white as well. So a digital currency designed for everyday use. Our network provides world-class features to ensure our users are able to send and receive digital payments quickly, safely, and securely. Bringing blockchain into everyday life. Simplified digital payment through our Verge Pay applications powered by blockchain technology. Open source development and community driving. We are proud to be 100% open source, and this is really important these days. Our project is run entirely by volunteer community members and dedicated individuals who wish to make a difference in the world, my friend. This is really cool. So a high-level blockchain solution for everyday use. Verge provides the security of blockchain-based payment to everyday users with easy-to-use software tailored to real-life needs and applications. We strive to make blockchain payments effortless and convenient. I need to take some coffee. I'm going to read the fourth part of this section. Everyday use. Verge provides an easy-to-use platform which enables everyday users to be able to transact quickly and efficiently across a blockchain-based network. Community driving. Verge is an open source project with an active team of developers from all over the world. The development team is always in close contact with the community. Verge is not a private company funded through an ICO or pre-mining. Mass adoption. Low fee, quick transaction, high volume and circulation, and multi-platform support are the ingredients that make Verge perfectly positioned for mass adoption. Security. Our team and our network provides world-class features to ensure our users are able to send and receive payment quickly, safely, and securely. This is really cool. So as you can see, they support a lot of platforms out there. Download your preferred Verge Pay wallet here. It says they support Apple iOS wallet, Qt wallet Windows, MyVerge's Windows 1.0, and many more for different kind of platform for Linux, Android, Apple, and Windows. So I'm going to read that section as well. Empowering everyday users. Our mission is to empower people around the world by bringing blockchain transactions into everyday life. Verge makes it possible to engage in direct transactions quickly, efficient, and securely. With Verge, businesses and individuals have flexible options for sending and receiving payment securely and efficiently all around the world in a matter of seconds like this. Boom! On our mission for mass adoption, we are supported by the following partners. They have a lot of partners. I need to take some coffee before I keep going. Those partners are MindGeek, Voice Life, Change Now Payments, Money Prakwa Foundation, NetSend, Travala.com, MobiPay, Miko Cash. Upgrade your business, you see? Try our micro merchant solution and manage payments. UA or our value payment processing partner can help automated acceptance with their own integration solutions. Any business from SMEs to multinationals, from brick and mortar retailers to online businesses, can benefit from accepting Verge currency. Mission supporter. The following company and or individuals are donated or noteworthy amount of money or series to the Verge team because they believe in our mission. GoTrek, Shell Blockchain, Node, ClothingWreck.com, and JetBrains. They are present on Facebook, GitHub, Telegram, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, and Discord. So you can keep up. They have all the sections. So let's go jump to the About section about the great project, VergeCurrency.com. So about Verge, I need to take some coffee. So I really love that. About Verge, so the grassroots culture is what makes Verge unique and dynamic. Why is Verge legitimate and important question? Verge is a digital currency designed for people and for everyday use. It improved upon the original Bitcoin blockchain and helped to fulfill its initial purpose or providing individuals and businesses with a fast, efficient, and decentralized way of making direct payment. Why is the Verge currency mission? This is a really important question as well. Our mission is to empower people around the world by bringing blockchain transaction into everyday life. Verge makes it possible to engage in direct transaction quickly, efficiently, and securely. With Verge, businesses and individuals have flexible options for sending and receiving payments securely and efficiently all around the world in a matter of seconds like this. When was Verge currency created? Verge currency was created in 2014 and under the name of Dogecoin Dart. In 2016, it was rebranding to Verge currency. Is Verge currency open source? Verge currency is proud to be 100% open source. Our project is run entirely by volunteer community members and dedicated individuals who wish to make a difference in the world. So stay up to date, keep up with the latest news and article, and follow all about the event happening with Verge currency. So let's go jump to another great section about VergeCurrency.com. So the Verge key tech, I need to take some coffee. Verge key tech, explore our key technology features. Technology focuses on the end users. Verge is a digital currency designed for people and for everyday use. It improves upon the original Bitcoin blockchain and aims to fulfill its initial purpose and providing individuals and businesses with a fast, efficient, and decentralized way of making direct transactions. As time progresses, this page will update as we integrate new technology into our network. Below, you will find a brief overview of some of the core technology that Verge offers as of today. Key features: low fee, quick transaction, high volume integration, and multi-platform support are the ingredients that make Verge perfectly positioned for mass adoption. This is really cool. Transaction speeds are ultra fast compared to other coins. Tor IP obfuscation. Tor, derived from an acronym for the original software project name, the Onion Router, is an IP obfuscation services which enable the anonymous communication across a layer secret-based network. Verge integrates Tor in all our wallet, thereby eliminating any single point of which the communicating pair can be determined through network surveillance that rely upon knowing its source and destination. Multi-algorithm mining. Verge currency uses proof of work mining principle is one of the few cryptocurrency to have a multi-algorithm support. Verge has 5 different hash functions: script, X17, layer 2, rev 2, make gross STL, and Blake 2 HS. Such design allows for a more equal access Verge is not a private company founded by pre-mining coin or an issue. Allowing our community to mine Verge with good technology is vital. Atomic swap. What is behind atomic swap? Atomic swap or atomic cross-chain trading is a technology that enables direct peer-to-peer trading across separated blockchain with BIP64 support and eliminate the need for trusted third party. Traditional centralized exchange can be replaced by decentralized exchange desk, which means you always keep your phone and your wallet and do not rely on an intermediary. By enabling atomic swap capability, Verge take a proactive step toward a decentralized futures. Dual key strength addressing. What is behind that great technology? Dual key steel addressing allows senders to create an unlimited number of one-time destinations addresses on behalf of the recipient without any interaction between the parties. Steel addresses are a method by which additional obfuscation can be implemented to further protect the receiving party when transacting with Verge. When multiple users send funds to a steel addresses, rather than this transaction appearing on the blockchain as multiple payments to the same they instead appear as multiple payments going to different addresses. And smart contract under development. Miniscript allows software to automatically analyze a script, including determining what witness data must be generated in order to spend coin protected by the scripts. With Miniscript telling the wallet what it needs to do, wallet developers don't need to write new code when they switch from one script template to another. The structured representation of the script provided by Miniscript allows wallets to be much more dynamic about the scripts they use. In support of the dynamism, Miniscripts can be created using an easily widened policy languages. Policies are composable, allowing any valid sub-expressions to be represented by another valid sub-expression within certain limits imposed by the blockchain system. So you want to stay updated? So go for it, man. You have all the sections to stay updated. Let's go jump to the last beautiful section about vergecryptocurrency.com or Verge in simple term. So the benefit. Why you should accept Verge payment? This is a good question. I'm just going to read the first sections. Verge currency is fast, flexible, and secure, but most importantly, it's currency built with the idea of supporting widespread mass adoption as it scales out across the globe. Every week, more and more people, companies, and organizations discover the benefit and advantages of accepting Verge as a method of transaction. A few of the benefits: eliminate chargeback fraud. 2. Transaction speed and immediate availability. 3. Lower transaction costs. 4. Attract new customer. 5. Gain publicity. 6. Buy into an innovative business practice. 7. Gain experience with blockchain technology. So I hope you really enjoyed the small introduction about Verge and all this benefit that can empower you and your business. Before to close this beautiful episode about Verge, I want you to take a couple of actions for this outstanding channel, Crypto Cafe. The first one is subscribe right now. Bing, bing, bing. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about Verge or other similar project of this kind. Go for it. Don't be shy. Leave a nice comment below. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday with 5 episodes away with great content and volume. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, high school. You have all my gratitude, my friend. Thank you so much if you have watched it until now. So see you on the next episode and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.